This is the Westermann WR870 Moss Brush. I'm going to go through the basic setup, the engine checks and how to get the best out of the machine. This is how the machine is received after delivery. First thing to do is to set the handle height, which is easily done with the clips. We then remove the control bar out of the front and put this into the slot at the back. The basic engine checks are unleaded fuel for a 4-stroke engine. Also the dipstick, we check the level on the dipstick, ensure that's at the right level. This machine has a jockey wheel underneath. This determines how much pressure the brush puts on the ground. So to set that up, we use the control wheel at the front, which we turn this until we feel it contact the ground. Then we go an extra full turn and lock it with the locking nut. This brush also has a safety setting for the jockey wheel to enable you to spin the brush free from contact with the ground. To start the machine, we push the throttle to the start position, we depress the Deadmans handle and pull the starter cord. The rotation of the brush is determined by the control wheel. To the right is clockwise and to the left is anticlockwise. The central position is neutral. The graduations are only a guide. What you do, you move it until there is resistance and then drop it into the hole. The same on the left hand side. There's generally less resistance to the left, it's just the way that the machine is engineered. These graduations aren't for power or speed, they're just a method of changing the direction of the brush. Now we're going to go and find some moss to test the machine.